Phonics Kids.
Hello kids, today we will learn how to write capital letters. A. Slanting line, another slanting line down and a sleeping line. B. Standing line, half a round in between, another half a round down. C. A big half a round open on right hand side. D. Standing line, half a round, joining the two ends. E. Standing line and three sleeping lines up, down and middle. F. You write like E but no sleeping line at the bottom. G. You write like C, go in with the sleeping line and a standing line down. H. Standing line, another standing line parallel and an in between sleeping line. E. Standing line, one small sleeping line up and one small sleeping line down. J. Standing line, go down and turn on left hand side and a sleeping line up. K. Standing line, one slanting line down till middle, another slanting line down. L. Standing line, a small sleeping line at the bottom. M. Standing line, slanting line down, then slanting line up and a standing line. A standing line, a slanting line down, another standing line. O. You make it like a oval circle. P. Standing line, make half a round till middle. Q. You make a O and then make small slanting line at the bottom. R. Standing line, make a curve like P and then a slanting line down. S. You make a curve, go down, then make another curve opposite to it. T. A standing line and a sleeping line on top of it. U. Standing line, then make a curve, go up, making a standing line. E. A slanting line down and then another slanting line up. W. Slanting line down, slanting line up, then one more time down and up. X. A slanting line down, another slanting line down, meeting in between, making a cross. Y. Slanting line, another bigger slanting line down. Z. A sleeping line, a slanting line down and another sleeping line in opposite direction. And that's all. Thanks for watching.